Okay, first let's talk about the suggested materials that you could use for this project. So it is collage and mixed media, but really any materials, if you'd like to stick on found objects as well, or use gel pens or paint on it, that's also possible. So to start off with, I would like you to collect some magazines, and I'm going to suggest National Geographic, mainly because of the beauty of the photographs and the fact that they're not advertisements, so they're very authentic. Teachers, I do suggest you take a quick flip through the magazines to see that there are no offensive images. Some of the images are more for adults, but mostly the magazines, the National Geographics, can be used for grade 4s, and they're wonderful for natural photographs. So those are going to be our inspirational magazines. Then you're going to need some inks or dyes. I actually use food coloring, so it's 400 milliliters of water to a small bottle of food coloring. And then I have all the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and I put them in a little seedling container. That just makes it very easy. I also have some extra colors. And these are the more natural colors. So I have some brown coffee, diluted instant coffee, and I've got some gray dye. It's diluted teddy dye, teddy liquid dye. And I've got some black teddy dye and some household bleach, which is optional. I'll show you how to use this. So those are your paints, so to speak. So we've got our magazines, our paints. You're going to be needing a glue stick, a pair of scissors, of course, for collage, a fairly large paintbrush, a pencil, and some oil pastels. Now for your surface, I'm going to suggest a long artwork. So instead of just doing the normal kind of square or rectangular art piece, we're going to be doing a long one. And this is to inspire the learners to really kind of feel into the depth and the beauty and the different kingdoms that we have on Earth. So I've actually used a piece of card. If you can't get card, then thick paper. And here is my card, and I've cut it into approximately 30 centimeters wide. So it's approximately an A3 piece of paper, 1.5 times the length and the same width. Right, I think that's about it. So I'm going to ask you to collect your materials, and we're going to join each other back here and get stuck into this wonderful project.